to Guatemala. Just landed in Guatemala. My friends Minor and Lester from Oklahoma told me their cousin is going to be here to pick me up and take me to Antigua, which is where I'm staying. It's like 45 minutes from the airport. Alright, give you guys a little tour of the hostel. There's a little lounge, hammock area, a little bar. People already drinking. It's like 8:30 in the morning. Pool.
I hold on to this storm cause I need to be swept away, swept away. I'm cornered in.
Alright, so I got my cafe, I got my breakfast, and now it's time to fly the drone.
I cannot let you go.
So I'm about to leave the hostel and go to this lake called Lake Atitlan. And the town is called Panthurr. It's about 3 hours from here. Then I have to take a water taxi to this other town called San Pedro La Laguna. I asked the guys here at the hostel what to do whenever I get to San Pedro, and all they said was party. I mean, ain't gotta tell me twice, big head. Let me find out I was on a water taxi with Tony Hawk. Bruh.
I hold on to this storm cause I need to be swept away, swept away.
So as I'm checking into the hostel, ask me where I'm from. I say Oklahoma. Start screaming. I say, why are you screaming?
Because I'm from Oklahoma too.
What? So she said
This is the first Oklahoman I've met here.
She came here for 2 days.
Yes.
And then you said, screw it.
And even dropped out of law school.
Dropped out of law school, and now she's been here 2 months.
2.5.
2.5. Yo, this that I get myself into. Yeah. I was flying my drone out here and I got way too far. I couldn't find my way back. The battery died. It's somewhere on the mountain. And I have this little thing they're called tuk-tuks. He's taking me around trying to find it. Oh my gosh. Look at this. We are on a mountain looking for the drone, climbing up this mountain. There's probably snakes everywhere. My boy. Oh my God. This guy. All right, just to give you guys a little bit of perspective, I was flying the drone right there. It died right there where that cell phone tower is. It just dropped. I didn't know where exactly it was. I just knew relatively around this location. So I took a little tuk-tuk taxi all the way over here, and the sun was already going down. Parked right there, started climbing up, getting cut and stuff by branches. The Mayan gods were looking out. Why do I get myself into this stuff? I'm riding over here with Pappy. I don't know where he's taking me, but we out here. All right, it's 3:55 in the morning. We're waking up to climb up Indian Hill, or Indian Nose Hill, which is right, boom, up there. This has been one of the main things that I've been wanting to do, so I'm not trying to miss it. So I'm on my way right now, so I can get there before 4 a.m., hold it down, and then go from my hostel there.
And that is, everything around you that you call life was made up by people that were no smarter than you.
More than I can say, do it to me. More than I can say.
Backing up this mountain. Got a little J behind me. Oh God, I almost fell.
More than I can say, do it to me.
tattoo, and we're all here for support.
Hashtag support.
Justin Bieber.
Oh yeah.
Very nice. Wrap that up.
Can I see
Let's
your
see it,
tattoo, buddy?
Nice! Nice!
What does it signify? Brian.com?
He's addicted.
See, once you get one tattoo, you can't stop.
Alright, they're all getting one.
The best to hold right here.
Yeah.
Will that stay in there for a while? That's awesome.
Hey, whereabouts is yours, Brian?
Right here.
The best to flex.
You got it?
I really like that.
That would be so funny.
Oh, I'm stoked. Thank you, man. I'm gonna be back for more. So, half a needle. That worked really nice. You like my new tattoo? Oh.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's gonna be hard getting a job with this one.
The Canadians, they're out. See you, bro. Y'all take care. They about to throw down. They about to throw them hands. They gave a big bill to this little kid over there, and he took it. He wasn't gonna share, so they took it from him. He got pissed. Look at him. He's pissed. He was like, "Hijo de puta." That's what he said. You should have just shared, fool. Oh look. Oh, throwing hands. Still going at it. I've been straight up roughing it the past 3 nights in hostels, and have to do the hotel the night before a flight. Gotta get some rest, gotta be up at 4 in the morning. I'm in Antigua right now, and it was like a 3.5-hour bus ride from the lake. I'm tired. I'm schlepped. Indigenous. Oh, indigenous. What darnation was that? Okay. Whoa. That's what I'm talking about. Little fireplace that doesn't work. My own bathroom. Haven't had one of these in 3 nights. Oh, civilization. Wow, what a game changer.
So bad.